Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today I have a wig review for you guys, and it came in the HL bag like so, and it's by the hair company Lavyhair, 100% virgin human hair. You can find them on lavyhair.com, and this is the cute little like satin, what they call this, a satin satchel or something. But let me show you guys what was in the bag. Okay, so you get the unit, which is Brazilian virgin hair, and inside of this unit, let me show y'all the unit before I go any further, or maybe I'll show y'all the unit last. I'll just share with you all. And this here bag is right there, is some headbands that they sent out, and with these headband wigs you do get some free headbands, so that's always cool. And then you have their little their flyer that tells you about the hair products. And again, Lavyhair was so kind enough to reach out to me to share with you all my review on their hair unit. And you get the wig caps, and I do like wearing the wig caps because sometimes the comb can like grip my hair and it'll hurt, so I like to wear the caps just to protect my hair under these wigs. And this is a 20-inch. So let's take the wig out the bag and put everything down. And it's inside a hair. Okay, no smell. Yeah. Okay, and this is the unit, you guys. It is like a natural color. And I'm going to tell you everything about the unit. Okay, this is their human version, no glue, no lace, natural color headband wig, and it's really nice. This is the scarf headband wig human version hair. And one thing about this unit that I've noticed is it's really light, and they have it all the way up to 30 inches depending on the length that you prefer. They have it straight, body wave, loose wave, deep wave, natural wave, deep curly, Italian curly, kinky curly. They have all kinds. The patterns range from number 1 through number 4, and it just depends on what length you get and whatnot, that to determine your price. The lace, there's no lace on here, but it just depends on your order. But you can flat iron it, you can straighten it, you could dye, you could bleach it. All wigs have straps and whatnot. So I'm going to share with you all, this is their, it's like, it feels really like a real nice protective over your baby hairs or your edges. This is the headband itself, and you have your Velcro strap, and it kind of like secures the wig in place. So I mean, all these wigs will fit, I guess, anyone's head. And then you have your cap, you have your 2 combs. Actually, you have 3 combs in the front, and you have the comb in the back, and it's constructed nicely. As I'm looking through the wig, yep, it's constructed nicely. I like it because it's not heavy. You know how some wigs, and I noticed a lot of people ask me, girl, is your head hot? When I wear the headband wigs, my head is not hot. And I know that some people back in the day, they would wear wigs, the wigs would be hot, but they're making these wigs a little bit different now. So I don't be hot in there, but I love this curl pattern. It's so natural, so pretty. So we're going to put this on, and I'm going to show you how to put it on. I'm going to first lay my edges, and I'm going to put some Nairobi on my edges, y'all. So my hair is braided down. I got the braids going on. I just put the little Nairobi on the edges. Okay, and then I have this little whatever you call it. Okay, so we're gonna lay the edges down. I did put a lot though, didn't I? Yeah, I put a lot. But I just like my edges to be soft when I lay it down. And the edge control that I'm going to use is from Amazon. It's the Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel. And we're going to use that to lay them down. And once again, you do not need to have edges to wear this headband wig, which is a plus, because everybody doesn't have edges. You know, some people edges came out by wearing different wigs or weaves, or just, you know, over time, medication, hereditary. So you can cover it up with the headband itself. I just prefer to, you know, just do these little edges this way. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to use the cap that they gave me. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use a black stocking cap. You guys know I have these braids in my hair, so even if you just want to wear a ponytail, you don't necessarily have to braid your hair down, but you can wear it like a ponytail. Make sure you put your ponytail in the back and just flip the remainder going up. And now I have the cap on. So get your wig like so. This is the headband part that goes in the back with the Velcro. You can put your wig on like this, just like so, and bring it forward and just flip it back. Okay, so once you have it like so, you're gonna take it and you're just gonna flip it. Make sure that the headband, tuck everything in, y'all, just like so. Then you're just gonna flip it back. You're gonna have your headband showing. Now that was easy, right? That didn't even take but a minute. So like your headband is kind of like tucked in, which is really cool. Okay, yeah, so your headband should look like so. And you out the door. Now you see that this headband wig is on, and every headband wig is totally different. So this right here is super, super pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty because you don't even have to wet it. It's just, the curl pattern is beautiful. Let me turn it around so that I can show y'all. It's beautiful. It's cute. Let me see. This is how underneath look. Now y'all can, you know, put some, you can put some gel, like, now you guys can put some gel on the back part, but nobody ain't gonna see my back part. But this is really pretty. Now I'm going to put the headbands on. These are the headbands, but I mean, it is what it is. Let's see. We'll do this one right here. And this part I usually put in the back. So this one's easy to put on, but I like to use my own headbands. You got to make this wig, this unit, your own. So this is really pretty. Super, super pretty. And I'm going to put everything down in my description box, which is down below. So it'll tell you how to purchase the wig, what wig I got, and just, you know, you can go from there, where it came from and everything. So for those of y'all, because I know there's a lot of people who come up to me and they're like, how do I order these wigs, blah blah blah, and I'll you know, share with them my YouTube channel and just give them that information to go down in the description section. This is cute. This is like that flirty fun look, that Saturday look. Hey, it's like the Lisa Ray look. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I love the curl pattern. Some of the wigs, some of the units I like wearing because you can wet it. It has that wavy curly look. Some are kinky curly. This right here is just the bomb, y'all. I am so feeling this. This unit is amazing. It is pretty. It's pretty. It's light. I don't feel heavy or hot on my head. So let's put on the other headband so that you can see. These are like my favorite. I told y'all it's like a game changer. You'll see me wearing these. You can also wear it like so, but I wouldn't wear it like that. But I mean, you can wear it whichever way you want to wear it, child. It's your unit, and you wear it the way you like. You style it however. Okay, so this is cute, and it'll be really cute if you do like a updo, like a ponytail or like a swirl. You need to check out Lavyhair. I'm going to show you again. This is their 100% virgin human hair wig. It's all that. Yeah, it was quick shipping. I'll list everything down in the comment section, like I said, and you can place your order. It's really nice and inexpensive too. I know you girls are on a budget, so it depends on what you want to get. So again, I thank Lavy for reaching out to me, wanting to collab on this here headband wig, this unit. It's really nice. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, guys, have a blessed day.